Mary and Jane at Up the Creek. Going to ask them a few questions. So tell me, girls, how's your day going?
It's amazing!
It's been incredible. Like, no sun, it doesn't matter. We party on.
What was your hangover breakfast?
Ooh.
Bacon? We're staying at the Grace, what's it called?
Oh, and champagne. We had champagne. Yes.
What was the highlight for you for last night? Did you girls meet here?
No.
You're best friends forever.
Like she made our hairbands, so I think that was like the highlight of the night. We had matching hairbands. Yes.
So no other bands? Okay, besides your headbands, what other bands rocked it here?
Well, I don't know. Like last night was a bit like sort of chilled or whatever, but today I can't wait for Black Hat Bones.
Yes.
Black Hat Bones is playing tonight.
Bones.
Is that is your favorite?
Ultimate, the Black Cat Bones are amazing. Can I take this opportunity just to kind of explain to South Africa, any Afrikaners, die Engelse, wie ook al van local musiek hou. Ek dink is tyd to put your money where your mouths are. South African bands need to be commercially viable. You know, we need to start like putting money towards these guys that they don't need to go abroad, they don't need to do KFC ads, and they can just make money by playing.
All the teachers, they gather round and talk about him. On the evening,
Creating a word as well. So from now on, people that goes to festivals are going to be known as festies.
Wow, so that's your new word?
Festies.
Yes, we did try to come up with a thing like it to the equivalent of bromance, but it ended up sounding like a disease, like femans.
all the fingers will be pointing and calling his name.
What effort do you girls put in to be beautiful as you are at festivals?
She just called us beautiful.
Okay, so what we did is, I think the main thing is, and someone said it to me earlier on, it's really a place where you can be yourself. Like we're in corporate companies and, damn it, sorry, we just lost our cool. But, you want to come here and you just want to enjoy yourself. We make beautiful things. This is an opportunity where you can let loose, you can be yourself, you can dance like you love it. You can
That's what's beautiful. When you can just be yourself and let the energy go, and that is when the true beauty comes out.
What is your motto for this year's Up the Creek?
Oh, just have fun, relax, enjoy.
I think have fun and find your festy bestie.
Yeah! Oh. Festy,
Festy bestie! Girls like you probably don't have a problem to get guys. How would you rate the eye candy here? That face doesn't look good.
I haven't really seen that much. It's like she's the hottest thing around, I think.
How would you rate the eye candy?
I don't know, the eye candy's like, it's okay. It's probably about a 7, I think.
Let's actually do a little survey. So, camera, if you can just round around.
I like this cute. And he's cute. Yeah, I think it's about a 7, eh? It's about a 7. It's about a 7.
6.
So like what do you enjoy the band? And then if they enjoy the band, then I know. Okay, yes or no?
Oh, but lately, and especially in Cape Town, you have to go, nice beard. What is that though? Everyone has got a freaking beard. It's like, nice beard. Yeah, that's a pickup line because you don't get a lot of guys without facial hair.
All the feelings, all the darkness in silence.